In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix scratch disk error in Photoshop. So Photoshop uses a part of your drive as temporary memory. If it's full, you will see this error. So what you'll have to do is simple, free up some disk space. You can use an example, clean or disk cleanup, to clean some of your disk or free up some data example or space in your disk. You will be able to clear a lot of things. On both disks, an example, if you have two, you can also go to your recycle bin and try an example to free up the recycle bin or remove it. Remove like the unnecessary information or files that you don't need anymore. Also, you can delete temporary files and large download or unused programs, because Photoshop will need at least 20 to 30 gigabytes free for smooth use. So other than that, you can go and just change the scratch disk location. So you can go to edit right here, and right here you can go and look for preferences. You should find this at the bottom, as you can see right here. In preferences, you can go and simply look for scratch disks. And once you click on it, as you can see, you can choose in here, basically selects just a different drive with free more space. So an example for me, I have here more space, so I can go and select that. I can select them both if I want to, so it's totally up to you. Other than that, just go and clear the Photoshop cache. You can go an example again, click on edit, and from here you'll have to look for purge. So where is it? Here we are. In this purge example, if you have root, you'll find here everything. So go and click on all, and this basically will clear the clipboard and undo and the history data. And this cannot be undone. So save your work first if you're working on it. Also, you can use an external drive if you want to, like maybe you have a fast external SSD. You can just go and set this up as a scratch disk example in the preferences. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.